pull trigger. Now this
Start smoking.
What up, man? Phone Yard Line Service. If you ain't tuned in to the channel, hit the bell, man. Get the videos, hit the thumbs up to get them out. Today we're gonna do a RedMax review, and I ain't sponsored by RedMax, but that's what I'm rocking with. And one thing about RedMax, man, they got more power than the Stihl and the Echo. I know it's gonna hurt a lot of people's feelings, but their engines got a lot more power than the Stihl and the Echo, man. Yeah, so that's just how I'm rocking. I need the power. I like get the job done quick. Never had a problem with it. Never had a problem with it, man, at all. As you can see right here, this is the BCZ26TS. This one right here is the EXZ26OSPH. I got this one last year. I started off with a Husqvarna 525, and man, I know y'all heard the story. Go check the video out. You know, you heard the story before about the Husqvarna jumping off the back of my trailer, and I lost that thing. So I had already bought a RedMax last year, and man, I just been rocking with them ever since, man. That thing ain't never failed me. It's real powerful, and this year I went and got this one, like I say, and this one comes with the attachments, so you can switch it up, be versatile with it. Another thing with the RedMax, man, it's dependable to me, man. I also got the blower right here. They dependable. Bigger engine, man. The gas doesn't gas lasts me pretty long. Right now I got both of these things pretty low. Gas pretty low on both of them. See if I can get a little cold start on both of them. See what they talking about. That one almost had gas all the way. Sound like you heard going on. So, come on, man. Just a little RedMax, man. See how we got a little bit of the RedMax. That cable twist right there. 0.95. Knocking out the job. That probably lasts me, I don't know, I picked up a lot more work this year, so I'm hoping to run through one of those. Last year, it lasted me to the end of the season. I had to buy one. So this year, I'm pretty sure I'm going to run through, yeah, I'll run through another one. Guys, I know y'all want to hear this too. This is the big boy right here. This is the 8550, man. RedMax blower. Yeah, check out the blower. See the, take a look at these. Keep your eye on them. You know what I'm saying? They nice, fellas. Keep your eye on them. Get this boy started. See what he talk about. Oh, I forgot. RedMax, you gotta pull it down. sponsored by RedMax or nothing, man. It's just what I'm rocking with. Y'all heard the engines? Yeah. Knocking out leak jobs with this one blower right here. I'm solo, I've been solo. And like I said, I got a little guys I pick up here and there, but this right here, I did last fall, spring, probably did 5 cleanups with that. And I'll try to find some of the footage. I don't know where my footage is at. I'll try to find some of it. But I did about 5 cleanups, and I ain't even talking about no little yards. Some nice sized yards. One of them, if you go check out my video, got me with the little Superman suit on. Those are one of the yards that I cleaned with that. If you go check out that video, you'll see how that yard looks. And I cleaned up that yard with this right here. So, yeah, RedMax, man, that's what I'm rocking with. I hope they go electric. If they go electric, I'm gonna try them out. And I've been watching Blaze Stihl. No, Blaze of Grass, Lawn Care. I think that's his name. I'm sorry, man, for messing up your name right now. I'm looking at these RedMaxes. They got me just amazed too. Another thing is just my lawn company, you know, growing over the years. Everything started as a dream. But Blaze of Lawn, I believe that's him. Go check him out. He got that electric Husqvarna. I want to try one of them. I might end up trying out one of them by the end of the year. And I'm hoping RedMax, man, go all electric. I'm gonna try RedMax electric too. So, man, y'all see him, man. Y'all see the Darwins on there. Do the Darwins on there. Check out that video, man. Yeah. So we out of here, man. It's just a little review of the RedMax, man. I love it. The engines are bigger than the Echoes or the Stihls. The gas in these things lasts me a while. Like, they last a while. I keep a couple cans gas mixed, but man, these things, they last a while. I don't run through gas a lot with these trimmers, man. And with the blower, I run through gas a lot. Like I said, I got some pretty nice properties too, so you guys go check them out, man. It's still out here, kind of rainy in Kentucky, kind of wet. I'm gonna get out tomorrow. We got all sunny skies coming up, so yeah, I'm gonna get out tomorrow. Got a couple spray jobs I gotta do. Gotta spray some weeds and knock some weeds out and get caught up, man. Behind a little bit from all the weather, but we're gonna get it caught up. We're gonna knock it out, man. So it's RedMax, man. It's a stop button right here. Pull, you ain't gotta pull no trigger, no when you start. Usually I'll start it one more time, I'll just show you. No pull trigger, nothing. RedMax, man. Like I say, they don't promote me. They should. I mean, they don't sponsor me, but they should. I'm promoting them like I should. They get my job done. So, I'll let you later, man. Boneyard Line Service.
Start smoking.